Welcome to Visual Artist PK. Today, we're diving into the world of acrylic painting on a small canvas. Grab your fine-tipped brushes and let's get started. First, let's set up our workspace. We're working with a petite canvas, perfect for detailed and intricate designs. Our palette today includes vibrant oranges and soothing creams. Begin by laying down the background. Use a small flat brush to apply a creamy beige across the canvas. This will serve as a soft, warm base for our painting. Next, let's outline our main subjects, 3 bold slices of citrus fruit. Use a fine-tipped brush to carefully sketch the outlines. Small brushes are ideal for capturing these fine details. Now fill in the slices with layers of yellow and orange. Notice how the colors blend seamlessly, creating a vibrant, juicy look. Use delicate dabs to mimic the natural texture of the fruit. Add some contrast with hints of green around the citrus slices. These subtle touches will make the colors pop and add depth to your painting. For the final touches, use a tiny brush to add highlights and details. Small strokes and dots of white will give the fruit a glistening, fresh appearance. Take a step back and admire your work. Every precise dab and stroke has contributed to this miniature masterpiece. Remember, it's not about the size of your canvas or brushes, but how you use them. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Visual Artist PK for more art tutorials. Happy painting!
Subscribe.